How you can spark a fall cleaning sales boom in your cleaning company. It's the last quarter of the year coming up. And that means that if you take massive action right now, you can have the best last quarter that you've ever had in your cleaning business. We're going to be talking about how to get more referrals, how to get more frequent cleaning, and how to get higher job tickets from current clients and brand new clients. We're going to be showing you examples for Google, client marketing, and neighborhood marketing. And it's funny, I keep coming back to these three, but these three are the most often to work media that I've seen for my own clients and other cleaning companies all over the world. So let's dive right in. Understand first that your competition is not doing these things. Now, they might be doing one or two of these things. I can nearly guarantee they're not doing all of these things, so pay attention. So I like to go based on a marketing calendar. I may put the link to this down below, but really marketing based on the seasons, based on holidays, just based on things that are going on in your client's life. And also too, it's about giving them education about what you do and why what you do is important and why they need you. It's about giving them that message repeatedly, and it's about doing it in a marketing mix. Never stick with just one media. If you do, you're sure to alienate a lot of your clients. Do a mix of different media in your marketing. I've always had a saying, life's too short to clean for crazy people. Really what I mean by that is target the right people and don't target the people who don't appreciate you. Target only the people that appreciate you, and really spend a lot of time thinking about who that target is. One of the best ways that I've seen to do that is neighborhood marketing, picking out a particular specific neighborhood and actually marketing to them about your various services. If you do hardwood, if you do area rug cleaning, whatever it may be, marketing to them about your specific services, water damage, whatever the case may be, letting them know that you are the neighborhood cleaning company, whether you live near that neighborhood, that's probably ideal, your business is near that neighborhood. But even if you are just in that neighborhood often, you can declare that that's your neighborhood. Giving them special offers, letting them feel special by giving them the special offer only to that specific neighborhood. Again, not to the entire city, but specific neighborhoods that you really would like to hone in and would really like to clean for. You are the neighborhood cleaning company. Claim it. Now, when you do that, through what I just showed you were EDDM postcards largely, but we also do them through buying mailing lists also and targeting specific income levels. But as well, also at the same time turning around and doing a neighborhood display ad campaign. You can do it in Facebook ads, but Google ads is usually a little bit better. But doing that specifically only in those same neighborhoods with that same exact message that you are the neighborhood cleaning company. When you do it, it can show up on various websites, CNN, different local news channels and websites and different bulletin boards just all over the place. You could do that through a Google display ad campaign. So I highly recommend that you do that to complement a good neighborhood postcard campaign. And as well, of course, do at least bare minimum an actual search ad campaign for Google Ads for those same people with that same message saying you're the neighborhood cleaning company. You can do that as well for your specific services and concentrate on Google only in specific niche areas. That's another way to do it. So in my own cleaning company, and a lot of the clients that I have that have gone through the same stuff I'm about to show you, the repeat client ratio just goes up through the roof. In my cleaning company, I had about an 85% repeat client ratio, meaning 85% of my clients in any given week were past clients. They were easier to work with, right? So one of the top ways right now, and again, not the only way. If you're just doing text marketing, then shame on you because you're alienating a lot of your clients. But text marketing is great. A little bit limited because you can't do it often and you can't tell a big message. This is one of the messages that we used to give in my own cleaning company. But anybody that I've ever recommended this to has done really well, and I always get messages when they've actually done it. Get messages saying, I booked 5 jobs in 15 minutes after the text went out. Other messages saying I booked $14,000 worth of business off of one text blast. Granted, this isn't all the time, but I routinely get messages like this from people and my clients that actually do text marketing. Email marketing. Don't ignore email marketing. It's huge. It's great. Highly recommend it. Now, there are limitations to emails as well. Mostly, a lot of your clients won't always open your emails and some of them may unsubscribe, but nonetheless, it's so cheap to do and you can give them a lot bigger message than you can with a text. So highly recommend that you do that as well. I get emails and hear from past my coaching clients that actually say I mailed to my past clients an email and I got huge returns, from that. As well, take that same message and post it on Facebook. Now, newsletters. I recommend newsletters, but even more than newsletters, probably postcards, but we do have some actual tri-folded newsletters in the coaching club, but something to get back in front of them saying, giving them your information about your referral program, a special offer, and just tips on how to keep their stuff clean that you actually do for them. And as well, we have postcard versions of almost all of this type of stuff. Again, the educational message, letting them know that it's time for cleaning, that's a good reminder, and participating in what's going on in their mind, which is fall and Thanksgiving and all of these holidays that are going on. So when you do all of these things, if you were to actually do everything that I mentioned here on any remote level, how could your past clients and even the neighborhoods that you target not hire you if you stay in front of them? They're going to hire you. You're going to be branded as top of the mind, and you're going to be able to charge more. You're going to get more referrals from those people, and you're going to have more frequent cleaning because instead of every year, every 2 years, you're going to be in front of them more, and they're going to be reminded to call you back. All of these templates for everything I've shown you here, and even getting the graphic design for these, are available inside of my Ad Coaching Club. The link's right below this video. Plus, we even help you getting this stuff done by designing it and even coaching you and walking you through it. We can even mail these things for you if needed. So follow the link below. Let me know how I can help. Have a great last quarter. Talk soon.